I give to the United Way because I've seen firsthand how much good they do right here in our community. And at Marshalltown, we try hard to build up the community. Jamie, can you tell us what the United Way is all about?
The United Way supports 25 local partner agencies that support essential programs and services to people in need within our community. By leading fundraising efforts, United Way allows these local agencies to do what they do best, delivering care, resources, and support to those who need it most. Wade, why do you donate?
I know my donation stays local and helps families who need it. I want to help United Way provide clothes, housing, and food to people around me. What do you think, Alexa?
I donate because there are so many families and neighbors that are grateful for these United Way programs and the small contribution that I can make. John, what can we do?
This is an incredibly easy opportunity to make a difference in our community. United Way connects people with the resources they need. If you could pledge even $2 per month, as a company, Marshalltown can really make a difference. Vicki, could we throw in a t-shirt or something?
You bet, John. If you donate $50 or more, you will receive a cool Marshalltown Builds Community shirt. Marshalltown builds great things every day. Today, let's improve lives by mobilizing the caring power of our community to advance the common good.